good balanced side.
Not a 170, 180 because we are playing with the good teams. They are all experienced players, plus they are all professional also. We can't tell what will the score. But we have to play best 20 over. Let's say if we play one best 21, it will be around 140 to 150 runs.
You'll be trying to make the most use of the power play overs.
We have to think each and every over because 20 overs is very important in this one.
All the best, Captain Ghadi. Ghadi disappointed with the toss. Toss really matters in the game of T20. Oh, it is a good toss to lose. And what matters is how you play.
It doesn't matter what happened about the toss. Now we have to just focus on bowling and at least 140, 140 to defend.
All the best, Chandrakant Ghadi. So that's the news from the center. Albert Developer.
Field is decorated, two field outside 30-yard circle, one in the deep third main region, another one in the deep point region. That's the field rest within the infield. Here comes the first delivery as umpire shouts, "Let's play." The very first delivery appeal as well, a height was involved, that was a concern. The very first ball was a beauty from the Dhondu Turaskar. Appeal for leg before and he was just going with excitement. Wonderful line for the left-hander. Nicely worked on the onside. This time it gets off the mark, looking for two, but he will have to settle down with a single. No, they are going for it. Excellent running between the wickets. No good pickup from the fielder. Oh, right in the middle, stump and bowled him. Suraj Dongre departs, and that's the first wicket down of Albert Developer Sports Club. W strikes. White signal, took his time. Umpire Atmara Marulkar, I was just wondering whether it has just brushed with the pad or maybe with the trousers of Aniket. Then later on just coming up with a decision. Excellent. Look at that, hits the money. Aniket Desai is clean bowled and wrapped him up. He got amazing temper and he has to just stay there. The longer he stays, the devastating that he becomes. Robin D'Souza. Who didn't quite get hold of that one, finds the fielder. Rajshekhar Harikant miscued it completely. Another wicket goes down. And once again, the partnership is broken. Nicely worked, keeping the ball grounded. Acrobatic fielding there. What a shot this is. Huge, high, handsome. With thick edge, and once again the ball will find a fence. This time a boundary. And once again getting in the groove and playing. Nicely done by Captain Kadri. Just opening the face of the bat and angling it beautifully. Oh, another wicket. This time a bit quicker delivery taken. Aprilia. AG Garments for jersey sponsor. For Guri Caterers for jersey sponsor. Anglis for trophy sponsor. Timex for every match. A beautiful watch to be given away as the man of the match. Fitness Bar prize sponsor for mobile handset. For the best bowler and best batsman in the finals. Quick delivery and the pace only works better for Albert Developers. It's a boundary, just a nudge, a fine tickle, and the ball travels quickly backward of wicket keeper. Good looking shot, nicely picked up, but finds the fielder as well. But the ball had enough bet on that, races away to the boundary. Good looking shot, beats the short fielder, the ball races like a rocket. We caution the wind, finds the fielder. 4 balls remaining. What will be the score? 140, 145. Good looking shot. Could be a couple of runs here. The first run is very quick, followed by the second run. Yes, they will get it. No. Shuru swings and swings big. Big enough. Oh boy, you beauty. What a six that is. Stand and deliver. The ball coming right out from the middle. Bang. She goes. 146 is the target to achieve and win for
Anglays, a complete sports shop. We have variety of sports material for all kind of sports and games. We also have trophies and sportswear. Visit us at Panji, Manik Mansion, Kunna Rivera Road. Call us on 0832 222 3119. Anglays since 1950.
उत्तम दर्जेदार किफायती अशो कस्टमाइज स्पोर्ट्स जर्सी ट्रॅक सूट टी शर्ट स्पोर्ट्स शॉर्ट्स डिजिटल प्रिंट करून मेळपाचें एकमेव ठिकाण म्हळ्यार आकाश गारमेंट्स.
AG means comfort.
AG means comfort.
तुमचे घरचे खंयचेय सण आसूं वा खंयचेय सेलिब्रेशन सदांच याद दवरात राधात्मा फर्निचर. दिवाळे निमतान तरेतरेचे नवे फर्निचर उपलब्ध, आकर्षक डिस्काउंट, कांय थारावीक फर्निचराचेर अजाप करपी दर, खास आकर्षण 2 वर्सांचे वॉरंटी सयत सोफा सेट फक्त 19,500 रुपयांत. आयजूच येयात. राधात्मा फर्निचर, वृंदावन हॉस्पिटला कडेन, पेडे, म्हापशां.
20 वर्षाच्या पारंपरिक यशस्वी वाटचाली वेल्यान आता आम्ही तुमच्या आशीर्वादान नव्या आधुनिक जगात प्रवेश करता. नवी सपना, नवी उमेद, नवी उर्बा आणि ताका साथ भांगरा हिऱ्यांची. जिवितातलो प्रत्येक उत्सव भांगरा हिऱ्यांनी सजून उमेदीन मनयात. फोंडा शहरात भांगरा जगतातले एक विश्वासाचे नाव रायकर ज्वेलर्साचे अवधूत रायकार तुमच्या सेवेक घेऊन येता एक भव्य दिव्य असो शोरूम अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड. आता तुमका नवे डिझाईन्स आणि क्वालिटी खातीर दुसऱ्या शहरात वचपाची गरज ना. अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड, शांताश्री बिल्डिंग, अपोजिट स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया, सदर पोंडा, गोवा. तुमका सगळ्यांक येवकार.
And Goa police are pursuing. Oh, excellent throw. Just away. Who's on the striking position? Deep third man is Gaurish Khandeparkar. Nicely played and worked, beautifully done. His placement was brilliant. This is the beauty of the power play. Anything in the gap, the ball will race away to the boundary. And that is exactly what has happened. A beautiful boundary from Swapnil Malik's bat. Good looking shot, nicely gets hold of this one. The ball rocketed like going through to the deep point region. Oh, nicely picked up. Bounce to fence. The ball coming right out from the middle, from that sweet area of the bat. And bang! She goes once again, races away. Well bowled. Excellent line maintained by Robin on this occasion. Once again, but finds the fielder this time. He takes it. Swapnil Malik miscued it, and Lakshaigar thanking the God for that breakthrough. Albert Developers strikes. Shot of length top page. Oh, great effort there from the fielder. Just getting lucky. Samarth Gawas. Excellent line, nothing much for Avinash to work with, but played straight for a single by just tilting the bat at an angle. So a balanced over from Captain Kadri to bring the end of 4 overs. Good looking drive, excellent throw from the fielder. Oh, beauty! Absolutely, the ball was in there for some time, and the falling shot of 2 fielders. Nicely picked up, beautifully driven, nice and straight down the ground. Samarth Gawas. Oh, breaks the defense, and look at that beauty. He hits the money, and Samarth Gawas is clean bowled. A beauty. Appeal for a leg before. Good looking shot. A beautiful. Blasted his way through the offside, and a cracking beauty from Krishna Walvaikar. Quick delivery. Freeing his arms but finding a field in the deep sweeper cover. The ball races away like a rocket. A fantastic boundary coming up after a long time for Goa Police. And the beauty of this tournament is every match there is a man of the match. A beautiful Timex watch to be given away from Timex. In the morning it was Shiom Amunkar who won that beautiful watch. Up in there, and Aniket, this excellent catch this is. Oh, what a beauty from Aniket this side. As I told you, he got the safest pair of hands. This time he gets it. The wicketkeeper making no mistake about that. Rajshekhar Harikant, excellent catch from him. Choosing full toss and paying the price of that. Excellent shot. That's gone all the way. It's gained the distance. Good pull, but this time straight to field. Sarfaraz Nawaz, a single comfortable after that huge sixer. Oh, good hit. Wonderful work. Absolutely wonderful work. All marks for Chappu. What a beauty from Sarfaraz Nawaz. Good looking shot. An excellent catch from Amit Yadav. Good looking shot and the gap. It could be a boundary, and yes it is. Vinod Wilson is firing all cylinders. Good looking shot. Nice and straight down the ground. Straight to Shera. Excellent throw. Chance of a run out here. Yes, the finger goes up. Just a single run. It means 5 of 2 balls. And now the pressure is back on Goa Police. 5 runs of 2 balls. Going across. Congratulations, Albert Developer Sports Club, for a fantastic win, and well played, Vinod Wilson. For sure, that's the result of this second match. In a close encounter, Albert Developers are turning out to be victorious. And Goa Police just falling short of 5 runs. That's all from the commentary department. See you back in the presentation.
Siddhi Decorators. We create sweet memories forever. We are specialized in all decorations with cloth draping, flower decorations, artificial and natural flowers, Vidhi Mandap, balloon decorations, baby shower setup, thread ceremony, naming ceremony, everything in lights and sound, banquet setup, wedding packages, birthday packages to create sweet memories. Call Siddhi Decorators, proprietor Deepak Mandrekar, shop number 6 and 7, Siddesh Apartments, opposite Bank of Baroda, Giri. You can also contact us on 9422-640-532 or 9158185302 or 9158185302.
उत्तम दर्जेदार किफायती अशोक कस्टमाइज स्पोर्ट जर्सी ट्रॅक सूट टी शर्ट्स स्पोर्ट्स शॉर्ट्स डिजिटल प्रिंट करून मेळपाचें एकमेव ठिकाण म्हळ्यार आकाश गारमेंट्स.
AG means comfort.
AG means comfort.
Combine business with pleasure at the Crown Goa Hotel for joyous birthday celebrations, conferences, theme parties, and lots more. The popular hotspot Harbour Cafe, the 24-hour coffee shop, offers its signature midnight buffet. Rejuvenate and pamper your senses at Divine Spa. For reservations, call on 0832 240 0000.
Turi Design Events. We are specialized in corporate parties, wedding planning, birthday parties, and family get-together. Turi Azilos, specialized in handcrafted products. Azilos hand-painted tiles, nameplates, clay potteries, and crockery. Call us on 9764 529968 or 9822 155 409. Shed number D2/13, Bicholim Industrial Estate, Bicholim, Goa.
Wilji Motors, dealers for Vespa, Aprilia and Suzuki two-wheelers. Experience the latest bikes and the models like the Suzuki XS, Suzuki Gixxer, Vespa, Aprilia 150 and 150 Race. Booking also open for the upcoming Suzuki Intruder. For more information, contact 0832 22 33 905.
Hello and welcome to the GCA Academy ground at Korori. We have had a fantastic second match here at the Geno Prudent T20 Cup where Albert's developers have just scored a narrow 4-run victory over a gallant Goa police team, and we congratulate both the teams for their efforts. Very unlucky there, Goa police. They gave their best and first I would like to call up their captain Chandrakant Gadi and we'll ask him to have a few words with us. Firstly, I'd like to call up on stage the proprietor of Akash Garments, Bala Sawant, to come up and grace the occasion on the days. Chandrakant Gadi, it's your privilege to come up and have a chat with us and reveal your thoughts about the tournament and the match today. In the end, it was quite a close game, very hard to take that defeat, I believe.
Actually, we win that match, but there is no sportsman spirit in Albert Developer. There is one player. It was a 6, but he didn't give 6.
Well, such things happen in cricket all over the world, and you cannot say that it's down to not having sportsmanship. Anyways, such things happen. It's a tough, competitive world out there. Anyways, your players really gave their best today, isn't it?
Yeah, our really player give 100% today. That's why we just give him almost we won that match, but actually it's a one matter of that 1-6.
I understand what you are saying, Chandrakant, but there are umpires on the field. They are doing their job, and in cricket, when the technology is not available, the umpires are the sole judges. You cannot blame the opposing team. The umpires have done their best, and I believe cricket is played in a very fair manner.
There is no doubt of umpiring. It should not depend upon the umpire. It should not depend upon the actually not spectator. It's almost all depend upon the that player.
Anyways, Chandrakant Gadi, your team gave their best. Thank you very much for playing good cricket here. Well, we can all understand how difficult it is in a knockout tournament, especially where a team who loses the game goes home, and that's what happened to Goa Police. They have lost their opener and they are out of the tournament. That's the beauty of this tournament. Now I would like to call the winning captain, and that's Mukhtar Qadri of Albert's Developers, whose star-studded team has scored just a 4-run victory against a really hard-working Goa Police team. In the end, you must have been very scared that Goa Police could upset the pre-tournament favorites that you all are.
Actually, I call on the toss only. So it will be a tough match because we are not taking on responsibility by any team. I call on the draw day also. Every match is tough for us. Okay, God plays has played very well. Okay, no doubt. And by he's playing about the stakes, not a show. There's an empire decision, final decision. We can't tell. Outside, anybody can tell anything. We can't tell for that one. If in our side also, if you are there, we will tell this was the six only. That's a part of cricket. Okay, there is an empire. When we had appeal for the appeal, empire not even given out. What we have to do? He's supporting for them. No, it's a part of cricket.
Absolutely, we can all understand how things are here. It's a knockout tournament and emotions ride very high. Coming to the match situation, I believe you would have targeted around 170 runs on that strip, but in the end you all had only 145 runs. So below par performance, and you need to get better. Even the catch is going down, and there are plenty of mistakes all around in your fielding side as well.
Yeah, because of fielding only the score has came nearby because of fielding. Because 145, 150 was a tough score over there because of the ball. Not like, the ball is not like that before how they are playing in Ranji or T20. Ball is little heavy ball. 150 is much fighting score over there. But we have done because of fielding the match has became tough because of that only.
Right. All the best to your team going forward. Now it's time to announce the man of the match, and the hero of the match is Amit Yadav for his 34 runs effort while batting, and then he bowled his 4 overs economically, giving just 18 runs with picking 1 wicket. And he bowled the crucial final over, wherein Goa Police required 10 runs, and Amit just gave 5. Very good performance. Yourself happy with what you have done today?
काफ़ी अच्छा स्टार्ट रहा हमारा. स्टार्टिंग में 2 विकेट जल्दी गिर गए थे, तो राजशेखर ने वहाँ से संभाला, थोड़ा अच्छी बैटिंग की. बाद में बॉलिंग में लक्ष्य ने अच्छा स्टार्ट किया हम लोगों को, और है थोड़ा एरिया इंप्रूव करने के लिए. फील्डिंग है, बैटिंग में भी करना है, तो होपफुली करेंगे नेक्स्ट मैच.
Well, really well done, Amit. And now Bala Sawant will present to you the Man of the Match award. Timex stopwatch from Bala Sawant here presenting the award. So, at Geno Prudent Cup, the Man of the Match every day receives Timex stock watch. Brilliant performance today by both the teams here now. And earlier today, Bhunteshwar Warriors beat Bading, and they have progressed to the next round. So it's time to say goodbye from here at Korori, but just before that I would like to mention all our sponsors who have made this tournament possible. Geno Pharmaceuticals are our main title sponsors. Then we have Goa Cricket Association, Anand Constructions as co-sponsors, GCA of course the associate sponsors. And we are all, this tournament is supported by Shri Michael Lobo, Honorable Deputy Speaker, then Deccan Fine Chemicals, Ozone Group, Raikar Jewelers, Radhatma Furniture, BG Motors, AG Garments, Mogiri Caterers, Anglaise, Timex, Fitness Bar, Studio 9, Turi Events, G-Wave, Siddhi Decorators, Suraj Pirgaonkar, the Crown Hospitality Partners, and of course print partners are the Goan and Goan Varta. Thank you to all of you. See you tomorrow. Dempo Juniors in fact playing Korzue Sports Club, and then at 2 o'clock United 11 will take on Nityanand Sports Club at this GC Academy ground at Korori. Keep watching Prudent and keep tuning into YouTube for our live streaming program. Thank you very much. Goodbye.